get out of the cockpit and move around is... Paul told me he was just short of 380 knots when he hit the pull-up on yesterday's show, and he's got the same amount of luck as Pete. You see Paul rolling the aeroplane. If you look at the cockpit again, it's a bit like the Bearcat. It's sat right high on top of the fuselage with a sloping forward fuselage going down to the engine, so the view over the nose of the aircraft is very, very good compared with most Second World War airplanes. And of course, this being a carrier design. Paul is still an active pilot with British Airways. Well, reasonably active, he's part-time, but he has to fit these things in. Paul lives quite near to Duxley. He's got 4 kids. And a very, very, shall we say, understanding wife. And Paul has been flying warbirds since his, again, late 20s. I was actually in the crew room in Berlin. I also served for British Airways, and Paul came excitedly in and said, "Guess who just rang me up?" And it was the chief pilot of the fighter collection who gave him a pilot authority and said, "Would you like to fly our aircraft?" And he's been flying them now for nearly 30 years. Paul reefing it round there in a very tight high G turn, rolling out on the finals. Let's see what's next. Possibly a roll maybe, or just a flyby. Let's have a look. Looks like a wave goodbye. Superb display, Paul. Taxiing from the left is Paul in the Fury, and you might consider there's a problem with the aircraft because there's a little haze of smoke coming out from the back of the aircraft, and we had to tell the controllers that this is normal. So this is part of this sleeve valve engine, because those sleeves are moving up and down with the cylinder moving up and down inside them. Effectively, this is a all-loss system. So as the exhaust valve opens up, there's a lot of track between the sleeve and the piston, and that comes out to the exhaust valve. So that smoke is completely normal, or so they tell me. So here we go, right hand side.